Student, today we will continue our chapter The Saviors. Okay, but before starting this chapter, here I will repeat the chapter again, which is narrated by me in your previous class. So let's take out page number 95. So this is the story of three children whose name is Peter, Bobby and Phyllis. Okay, and this story was written on the season of spring, because here you can notice that the trees they had seen the blossom on the trees in the spring season, and the spring season also known for cherry blossom. Okay, so the children were decided to go and collect cherry from the trees, and the trees of cherry are very far away from their town or from their house. Okay, so they took lunch and a basket for collecting cherry with them. Okay, the trees of cherry were situated in the mouth of tunnel, and this tunnel was same way from three chimneys. Okay, from three chimney, and mother let them take their lunch with them in a basket. Okay, and also she gave them her watch so that they should not be late for the tea, and they should come on home in the time. Okay, they went along the fence towards the little gate. When they near the gate, they hear a very odd sound or noise, which is like the sound of ceiling fan, which is similar to the sound of ceiling fan. Okay, and this is the sound like whispering sound, and they listen it again, and the sound will. Then they notice that the sound stopped for a few seconds, and then it will begin again. Okay, and then this time it did not stop. Means when the sound will stop for few seconds and it begins after the few times, this time the sound did not stop. It grew up louder and louder, and more rustling and rumbling. Okay, then Peter noticed that something happens around there, and he cried, "Look!" Suddenly the tree, and they observed that the tree moved from their original place, from their center. Here the moving of tree, which is the tree move from their actual position. Okay, not just the way tree is out to move when the wind blows. Okay, so all the children were very fear when they looked this incident. Okay, the trees moves on, and then they hear the rattled on the railway's metals far below, because some stones are loose and earth fell down on the railway metals. Okay, that is why they hear about the rattled sound. Okay, and then they went on the side for taking help on the side of railway station. Okay, but no one is there who can observe or hear their sound. The children suddenly observed that the tree fell down with rock and stones. It will fall down or slip down into the tunnel, and it will create a blundering crash. Okay, blundering crash that could have been heard half a mile off. Okay, a cloud of dust rose up. Then the children will fear from this incident, and they went to the station to take help from other person, and they heard the sound of train, but they did not would not see the train. Okay, and they got round the corner. Okay, and then it will could see the mound just as well. Okay, said, who said about this word? Said Phyllis. Okay, better because it is much bigger than us. Okay, Phyllis said that this is much bigger than us, so we must have to take help or help with the people of the train. They decided to wave their clothes, and asking for the help, and they got down the stair. Bobby was pale and shivering. Bobby became very fair, so she was pale and shivering. Peter's face looked thinner than usual. He is also fair, and Phyllis' face was become totally red and damp with anxiety. Okay, because he had never seen this incident before in his life. Okay, so students, from here we will discuss in our next class. Okay, hope you must be understand this story in a short way.